Can you see yourself in the 2021 Toyota Camry? With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. At the end of the day, it should be about what your car can do for you, not the other way around. This elegant and efficient Toyota Camry puts you and your passengers at the center. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Why settle for anything less than excellence? This Camry has all the features you want and need. We'll toss you the keys and help you start an exciting new chapter in your driving story.